وقال علي عليه السلام: البخل عار، والجبن منقصة، والفقر خارس الفطن عن حجته، والمقل غرب في بلدته.
Imam Ali, says, miserliness is a disgrace, cowardice is a defect. Poverty prevents a clever person from establishing proof and argument. A poor person is a stranger in his own city. In this wise saying, Imam Ali, highlights two bad traits and speaks about the bitter realities of being poor and needy. Miserliness is a disgrace. Miserliness means not spending where one should, on things God has given. The praiseworthy trait opposite miserliness is generosity. There's also a blameworthy trait called extravagance, which means spending where one shouldn't, going to extremes. Miserliness is one extreme, and extravagance is the other. Moderation is the best path. The ugliness of miserliness is clear to everyone. No one, no matter how stingy, wants to be called stingy. In Surah Nisa, Allah says, those who are stingy and enjoin stinginess on others, and hide what Allah has given them of His bounty, we have prepared for the disbelievers a humiliating punishment. 437. The Prophet, PBUH, says, the stingy person is far from Allah, far from people, and far from paradise, but near to hell. Allah prefers an ignorant generous person over a stingy worshipper. The greatest disease is stinginess. Cowardice is a defect. Imam Ali, says cowardice is a flaw. A coward can't reveal their hidden abilities or protect their life, wealth, honor, or dignity. When sending Malik Ashta to Egypt, Imam Ali advised him not to consult cowards and pointed out that cowardice stems from lacking trust in Allah, who promised not to leave believers alone. Imam Bakir, says, whoever has stinginess, envy, and cowardice can't know the reality of faith. A believer shouldn't be cowardly, greedy, or stingy. The Prophet, PBUH, says, cowardice, stinginess, and greed all stem from one thing, having bad thoughts.